What if you could build an entire website without touching code, without starting from scratch, and it actually looks good on the first try? Because I just tested this AI tool, and honestly, it feels like cheating. Let's explore smart AI tools that simplify work, automate tasks, spark creativity, and help you move faster with clear explanations, practical tips, and real workflows. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. So today I'm checking out Framer AI, and this is not your typical website builder. This thing literally generates websites for you based on just a prompt. And yeah, I wanted to see, is it actually usable or just another overhyped AI tool? So here's the idea. Instead of dragging elements, designing layouts, or thinking about structure, you just describe what you want, and Framer AI builds the website. From the screenshot here, you can see this whole concept, never start from scratch. And that's literally what it feels like. You type something like, create a modern landing page for a product, and it generates layout, text, sections, styling all instantly. No blank canvas, no design stress. If you've ever tried building a website before, you know the hardest part is not the tools. It's starting, like, what sections do I need? What should the layout look like? What even goes first? And Framer basically removes that. Instead of thinking, then building, you generate, then tweak, which is honestly a much easier workflow. 1. AI website generation. The biggest feature, obviously. You generate full pages instantly, and from what I can see in the screenshots, it's not just random blocks. It actually looks structured and clean. 2. Built-in design system. Inside the editor, you can see a full interface with layout controls, text, vector, CMS options. So it's not just AI output, you can fully edit everything after. 3. Visual editor, no code. This is important. Everything is visual. You can move elements, adjust sections, tweak spacing without writing a single line of code. From the UI screenshot, it looks very similar to design tools, which makes it way easier to learn. 4. AI tools inside the workflow. There's also mentions of things like AI rewriting content, translating, generating sections. So it's not just generate once and done, you can keep improving the site with AI. What I like about this is that it doesn't try to replace you completely. It gives you a strong starting point and then lets you refine. Because let's be real, most AI tools either give you too little or give you something unusable. This actually feels usable. So the flow is basically step 1, enter your idea. Step 2, let AI generate the site. Step 3, open it in the editor. Step 4, customize everything visually. Step 5, publish. And from the interface, you can even see buttons like invite and publish right inside the editor, so it's clearly built for real projects, not just demos. Now let's talk about pricing. Based on the screenshot, there are 3 main plans. Basic, around $10 per month. Pro, around $30 per month. Scale, around $100 per month. The basic plan already includes custom domain, design tools, hosting, built-in SEO, and then higher plans unlock things like roles and permissions, analytics, advanced features, so you can start simple, then upgrade if needed. Overall, this is one of those tools that actually makes sense. It doesn't try to do everything, but what it does really well. If you want to try it yourself, I'll leave it linked below. And yeah, let me know what you think. Would you actually build a site like this? See you in the next one.